So the first time in my life, after living on my own for about a year and some change, I realized that I waste a lot of food. As a person who loves to cook and loves to go out and eat, there's always a lot of leftovers and produce scraps and fruits that don't get eaten. And I'm like, whew, I am part of the problem with this whole food waste thing. Now, one thing I learned since living in Washington, D.C., they started this new program. It's a composting program. And they put these smart bins all throughout the city. And there's one that's within my neighborhood. And I'm like, you know what? Let me be mindful about what I'm putting in my everyday trash. Don't put any food products in there. Fruit and vegetable scraps, wasted fruits, bones, meats, rice. Yes, all of that can go into the bin. And I collected it, and I started to notice there were flies in my apartment, like little gnat flies. I said, you know what? Let me put it in the freezer until I'm ready to go with a full bag to the smart bin. Genius, right? The other thing that the smart bin accepts is dairy products. So you know that mozzarella cheese that you got in your fridge that's now turning pink and moldy because you only needed a slice? Yeah, that could go into the smart bin too. So here I am heading to the smart bin. Okay, so here it is. What goes in this bin? Food scraps, food spoiled paper. What's not accepted? Pet waste, plastic bags, recyclable produce, stickers. All right, so what I need to do is I have to unlock this bin. The other option is typing in a code. I'm not going to tell you what the code is. And then you step on this lever. And when you step on this lever, this opens. You just dump it in there. And yes, you can put the paper in there, but not plastic. So, all that stuff in there. Got some plantains in there, eggshells, onions, coffee grounds. Then I just take my foot off the lever, boom, closed.